Tether has shown significant stability since its launch and seems to be a very good investment option. We will tell you why. Hey crypto lovers, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will talk about the price prediction of Tether and whether it will always remain around $1. But before we start, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Done? Let's get started. Tether, which is often called by its symbol USDT, is a cryptocurrency with tokens issued by Tether Limited, which again is controlled by the owners of Bitfinex. Tether is called a stablecoin because it was initially designed to always be worth $1, maintaining $1 in reserves for each Tether issued. Tether Limited mentioned that owners of Tethers have no contractual right, other legal claims, or guarantee that Tethers will or can be redeemed or exchanged for US dollars. On 30 April 2019, Tether Limited's lawyer stated that each Tether was backed by $0.74 in cash and cash equivalents. In May 2021, Tether published a report indicating that only 2.9% of Tether was backed by cash, with over 65% backed by commercial paper. Tether's price stability is uncanny, although the main reason that Tether and other stablecoins came up was to avoid the madness in the cryptocurrency market. This market has been really volatile, which has only increased in recent months. Since one Tether corresponds to $1 in reserves in Tether and the price allows that of the USD, the volatility is not significant compared to other normal cryptocurrencies. The price stability that Tether gives is also useful for trading cryptocurrencies, rather than using one crypto for another. But this price stability is even more important for normal crypto users, who use it to buy and sell everyday products and services, including groceries, either online or in normal shops. According to Wallet Investor's USDT price prediction from 2020 to 2025, USDT is a not-so-good long-term investment. The Tether price can go up from 0.999 USD to 1.020 USD in 1 year, which means the long-term earning potential is plus 2.14% in 1 year. The Tether's future price is estimated to be 1.039 USD. According to present data, Tether, USDT, and potentially its market environment has been in a bullish cycle for the last 12 months. According to Digital Coin Price, Tether price forecast for 2020 to 2026 is more optimistic. By the end of the year, the Tether coin price is predicted to go up to 1.78 US dollars. Tether is a profitable investment based on DCP forecasting. The price of one Tether can roughly be up to $1.86 in 1 year's time. According to Trading Beast's price prediction, the expected maximum price for a Tether is $1.60654 and the minimum price is $1.09245. The Tether price prediction for the end of the month is $1.28523. When it comes to crypto rating, USDT coin price forecast, the Tether is a good return investment for 3 to 5 years. Well, does this mean that Tether would always remain at $1? The USDT coin price will stay within the close to 1-to-1 ratio with the United States dollar for the following year. However, the coin cannot be 100% relied entirely on, even upon the specific case that it was developed for. It is possible that the coin could fall a couple of times in the future, hitting a mark of no less than 90 cents per coin. If you are one of the investors who invest in crypto for long-term gain, you should be careful with a USDT cryptocurrency. If you are interested in investing in stablecoins, USDT would indeed be a great option. But we want you to know that all investments come with a risk and the crypto market is highly unstable. It's always better to consult a financial advisor and do your research before investing, as we do not provide financial advice. Let us know which coin you love the most in the comments below, and do hit the thumbs up if you found this video interesting. See you soon with another video. Until then, bye.